Several years ago, the team at Vandam began creating a beautiful 50-foot wood composite day boat for an owner in Florida. The original design drew inspiration from the Chris Craft Constellation, as well as vintage Trumpies and Hatteras motor yachts. In 2018, this project that is 60% complete was put on hold by the owner, where it has remained idle ever since. This wood composite boat has a length overall of 50 feet, a beam of 13 feet 6 inches, and an estimated displacement of 33,000 pounds. Many of the mechanical components have already been purchased and installed in the boat. Twin Cummins QSC 8.3-liter diesel engines producing 600 horsepower apiece, a 21.5 kW Cummins generator, side power bow and stern thrusters, Seakeeper 6, fuel tanks, custom exhaust, and a full HVAC system are a few of the mechanical components and systems already installed in the boat. Thinking of the hull as a canvas to work within, our design team created several alternative layouts and designs that a new owner could build within the existing hull. This project and opportunity as it sits is being offered at $1.5 million. The time saved in fabrication and design, the cost saved in materials and equipment would be considerable to anyone willing to pick this project up and finish it with the team at Vandam Custom Boats. If you are interested or have questions, please reach out and let us know.